Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question number 37 for WAEC Chemistry 2018. Which of the following methods can be used to separate blood cells from plasma? Option A, centrifugation. B, filtration. C, chromatography. D, distillation. Now, how do we go about solving these? For us to be able to understand this, we need to give the definition for these various separation techniques. So let's look at the first one, centrifugation. What is this centrifugation? Centrifugation is a separation technique used for separating substances mixed due to their difference in viscosity or density. So that is what centrifugation is: separating substances mixed, and this separation is due to their varying viscosities and density. This is very close to what we have here. The blood cells and the plasma have varying viscosity and density, so the answer is going to be A, centrifugation. But as a matter of differences, now let's look at the definition of filtration. Filtration is actually a separation technique that is used for separating substances of varying size. Filtration is used for substances of varying sizes and shapes. So this cannot be the answer to this problem. Now we look at the third one, which is chromatography. Chromatography is a separation technique that has to do with solute movement in a chromatographic paper, and this will not be good for this. Then finally we look at distillation, which is actually a separating technique for substances of varying boiling points. So these three cannot be the answer to this problem, but centrifugation is what we can use, which is a machine that looks like this. It has tubes. So inside these tubes you have your plasma and your blood cells. So when there is movement of these tubes in a circular path in a centrifuge, there will be separation. The ones of bigger density will go down here, whereas the ones of lesser density will be up here. So once there is this separation, you cannot decant to have your biggest density one separated from this one, or the bigger viscosity one from the one of lesser viscosity. So that is how you can use centrifugation to do separation. So centrifugation is the best method to separate blood cells from plasma. Thank you.